Now let's go to Build Budget. This is where your SpendHub history becomes a monthly plan you can actually follow. Helps you create a realistic monthly plan in minutes. It starts with your real data, or peers like you, then guides you with live KPIs and refines everything with smart AI recommendations. At the top, your performance metrics update live as you edit: net income, spending, cash flow, savings rate, and free to spend. Every change shows you instantly whether you're moving closer to your goal or creating a gap. In the table, you'll build your plan category by category. Each row shows your baseline, peer average, your planned amount, and a simple tag: essential, discretionary, or recurring. If you want a fast starting point, use pre-fill to populate your plan from your baseline or from peers. You can review your budget with AI Summary or open AI Spending Plan, choose a strategy, preview the impact, and apply the changes. That's Build Budget, a plan you can see, test, and trust.